Stop. If you are about to install the latest Windows 11 update, don't install it yet. A new Microsoft update is reportedly causing some users' mouse cursors to break and desktop wallpapers to turn black. And the worst part? For affected users, uninstalling the update may be the only way to fix these problems. The update is called Windows 11 KB5120998. It is an optional update that introduces several new features, including a movable taskbar, a resizable start menu, and a cleaner search box. But along with these features, users are reporting some frustrating problems. The first major problem is the mouse cursor. After installing the update, some users say their customized cursor is replaced with a large, white, default cursor. Changing the cursor settings does not always fix the problem. The second problem is the desktop wallpaper. Some users report that their personal wallpaper is replaced with a solid black background. In some cases, the wallpaper changes back to black even after users restore it. However, these problems are not affecting everyone. Microsoft has received reports through the Feedback Hub and is investigating the issues. Since KB5120998 is an optional update, you don't need to install it right now. If your PC is working normally, my recommendation is simple: skip this update for now and wait for Microsoft to release a fix. If you already installed it and your cursor or wallpaper suddenly changed, uninstalling KB5120998 has reportedly fixed the problem for affected users. So before you click download and install, think twice. You may want to wait until Microsoft fixes these reported problems. For more Windows updates, fixes, and practical tech tips, subscribe to IT Support.